The grounds on which discrimination in admission to educational institutions is constitutionally prohibited are the grounds on which discrimination in admission to educational institutions is constitutionally prohibited are on the basis of gender. The answer is gender or sex. So on the basis of gender, this discrimination is prohibited. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct about Lok Sabha? Out of that, the correct one is the constitution puts a limit on the size of the Lok Sabha. So there is a limit on the size of the Lok Sabha. It is not unlimited. Next question. Public order as an item in the constitution figures in, answer is the state list. Public order as an item in the constitution figures in the state list. Next question. The term of office of the Advocate General of a state is 59D, not fixed. The term of office of the Advocate General of a state is actually not fixed. Next question. Which among the following states has the highest number of seats in the Lok Sabha? Answer is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is the state which has the highest number of seats in the Lok Sabha. Next question. Which of the following are the objectives of Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA? And the answer is to ensure adequate availability of quality faculty. This is one of the objectives of the Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, to ensure adequate availability of quality faculty. Next question. Which of the following phenomena is not a natural hazard? Answer is chemical contamination. Chemical contamination phenomena is not a natural hazard. So which are the natural hazards? I'll discuss about that. Wildfire is a natural hazard. Lightning is a natural hazard. Landslide is also a natural hazard. But chemical contamination is not a natural hazard. Next question. Which of the following pollutants can cause cancer in humans? Answer is pesticides. Pesticide is a pollutant which can cause cancer in the humans. Pesticides. Next question. Inside rural homes, the sources of nitrogen oxide pollution may be. And the answer is unvented gas stoves, wood stoves, and kerosene heaters. So inside the rural homes, the sources of nitrogen oxide pollution may be unvented gas stoves, wood stoves, and kerosene heaters. In a computer, a byte generally consists of, and the answer is 8 bits. One byte generally consists of 8 bits. Next question. Which of the following is not an input device? Not an input device. So the answer is monitor. Monitor is not an input device. So which are the other input devices? Microphone is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. Joystick is an input device, but monitor is not an input device. Next question: which of the following is an open source software? And answer is Mozilla Firefox is an open source software. So which are not an open source softwares? MS Word is not an open source software. Windows is not an open source software. Acrobat Reader is not an open source software. Only Mozilla Firefox.